Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best kids cam is probably one of the most exciting gadgets for children today, offering a unique blend of creativity, exploration, and digital fun that allows them to capture their world from their own perspective. These cameras are designed with durability and ease of use in mind, making them perfect for little hands and adventurous spirits, and they often come with fun filters and editing tools that encourage imaginative storytelling and a deeper engagement with their surroundings. Whether it's documenting a family vacation, creating a mini-movie, or simply exploring the backyard, a kids cam empowers children to express themselves and develop valuable skills while having an absolute blast. Number 5. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is designed with them in mind, offering a fun and safe way to capture memories. This toy camera significantly enhances photo clarity compared to others. It records in 1080p HD video and features an 8x digital zoom, ensuring every wonderful moment is saved. It's packed with features like photo capture, video recording, playback, and even fun puzzle games, some with motion control. They can also choose from 28 scene selections for their photos. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers hours of continuous use. It supports up to 32 GB SD cards and is incredibly simple for children to operate. Just turn it on and start capturing. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy for kids to carry anywhere. It even comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck, perfect for outdoor adventures. Easily download photos and videos to a computer using the included card reader. This allows them to share their captured moments with family and friends, fostering creativity and connection. What we like? This camera offers great video quality for its price. If you're looking for a durable and fun first camera for younger children, this is a fantastic choice. Its soft cover makes it easy for little hands to hold and use. What people say? It's tiny enough and light enough for her to carry around and it not bother her at 5 years old. It's super easy for her to use on her own. And she loves using the front camera for selfies. The photo and video quality are pretty good for a kid's camera, and the simple buttons make it easy for her to use on her own. She also enjoys the built-in games, which keep her entertained when we are on the go. I like that it comes with a memory card and is ready to use right away. It has photo, video, games. My 4-year-old is obsessed with it, which results in the cutest photos. It even has a selfie camera. The protective cover works so well. The battery life is great and it has auto shut off because no toddler is going to shut it off independently. It has been thrown several times and doesn't have a single scratch in it. Number 4. Kids Instant Print Camera. Introducing the ultimate camera for kids. It lets them capture fun moments with dual front and rear cameras. Plus, they can print black and white photos in just 1 second. With 20 fun frames and 7 filters, this device sparks imagination. It transforms everyday snapshots into cherished keepsakes, encouraging artistic expression. This all-in-one digital camera also records 1080p videos. It features a 2.4-inch screen, 16x digital zoom, and even includes games and an MP3 player for endless entertainment. Designed with safety and durability in mind, it's made from high-quality, non-toxic materials. Its shockproof protection ensures it can handle all your child adventures. Enjoy 4 to 5 hours of continuous use with Type-C fast charging. It comes with everything needed to start capturing memories right away, making it perfect for travel. This multifunctional camera is an ideal birthday or holiday gift for kids aged 3 to 12. It's a creative tool that encourages exploration and memory making. What we like? This camera lets kids print photos instantly, turning memories into keepsakes. If your child loves immediate results and enjoys creative expression with frames and filters, this is the perfect gift. It's ideal for parties and family gatherings. What people say? Works great, has a nice design that can stand a few drops or scratches. The picture quality is better than I originally expected. It only takes 3 seconds to print a picture. It has very good color prints for them being black and white. The interface is very easy to use. It's easy for her to navigate around. The function of the camera itself is nice. There are games. She is able to record videos and the screen quality is very good as well. Altogether for the price, you really cannot beat it. Number 3. Foldable 1080p HD Drone. Capture breathtaking photos and videos from a unique bird's-eye perspective. It's perfect for selfies and even for inspecting hard-to-reach places like your roof. Enjoy worry-free flying with 2 batteries that extend your flight time up to 25 minutes. It's designed with your safety in mind, featuring emergency stops and propeller guards. This drone is designed for ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginners. With features like one-key start and stable hovering, you'll be flying like a pro in no time. Experience the thrill of flight with exciting features like 360 degrees flips and gravity control. You can even control it with simple voice commands for an intuitive experience. Looking for a unique gift? This drone is perfect for kids and adults alike, offering hours of entertainment. Take it anywhere, from parties to outdoor adventures. We provide everything you need for a smooth first flight, including safety tips and spare parts. We're here to help with any questions you may have. What we like? This drone provides an aerial perspective with its HD camera and fun gesture controls. If you're looking for an exciting gift that offers a unique way to capture moments from above, this is it. It's suitable for beginners who want to experience drone flying safely. What people say. The operation itself is also very kid-friendly, as my son got the hang of flying it within the first hour of use. The battery life is pretty great and has lasted up to 25 to 30 minutes. It's also really convenient that it comes with an extra battery to allow for back-to-back fly time. Foldable design, the arms fold in tight, making it about the size of a large sandwich. It fits in my work vest pocket, which is great for taking it to the park without lugging a giant gear bag. Propeller guards, this is the most important feature for a father. The guards act like a roll cage for the blades. Brushless motors, they are quieter and last much longer than the old brushed versions. They handle the wind better, too. One key everything, it has a button for takeoff and a button for landing. Voice and gesture control, you can tell it to take off or land, or show an AV sign with your fingers to snap a photo. The camera, 1080p is workhorse quality. It's clear enough to check the gutters on my house without getting out the 20-foot ladder. Setup was quick and easy, and the one-key takeoff landing makes it very beginner-friendly. The controls are responsive, and features like flips and emergency stop add to the fun without being overwhelming. The camera is a nice bonus for a drone in this price range, and the foldable design makes it easy to store and take along. Battery life is solid, especially since it comes with 2 batteries. Number 2. GREENKINDER Instant Print Kids Camera. Introducing the GREENKINDER Instant Print Kids Camera, the perfect way for your child to capture memories and express their creativity. It prints photos instantly, just like magic. This toddler camera uses safe, ink-free thermal printing technology. It prints photos in seconds with the included paper rolls, letting kids print as much as they want without any mess. It's more than just a printer. This digital camera for kids features a 2.0-inch screen, 1080p video recording, a 10x digital zoom, and a 180-degree rotating lens perfect for selfies. Designed for little hands, it's portable and durable. With a long-lasting battery and a convenient lanyard, it's ready for any adventure your child embarks on. Looking for the perfect Christmas or birthday gift? This instant print camera comes with fun stickers and colored pens, making it an ideal present for children aged 3 to 12. Beyond photos and videos, it also includes games and drawing functions to keep them entertained for hours. It's a fantastic way to encourage their imagination and keep them away from your phone. What we like? This camera offers the unique ability to print photos instantly in black and white, which kids can then color themselves. If your child enjoys hands-on creativity and wants to personalize their photos, this is a wonderful option. It's great for encouraging artistic expression. What people say. She loves the selfie mode, quick black and white prints fast, and the fun filters frames. Super easy for little hands, durable so far, and the included paper plus 32 GB card means instant play. The photo quality is better than expected for a kid's camera, and it's lightweight and durable. Great gift idea that keeps kids engaged and encourages creativity. It has amazing zoom features, and a bunch of other features that I can't even remember to be honest with you. It even has cute games and stuff. The pictures print black and white, but you can definitely upload the pictures in color to your computer. The pictures print quickly too. Number 1. Kids Selfie Digital Toy Camera. Introducing a fun and easy-to-use camera designed for kids. It's perfect for capturing all their adventures and precious memories. With an upgraded dual camera system, taking selfies is a breeze. Simply turn it on and let the fun begin. This camera does more than just take pictures. It includes burst shooting, time shooting, and 28 filters to spark your child's imagination. Record life special moments in stunning 1080p HD video and capture photos up to 20 megapixels. It's like having a real photographer's dream in their hands. Made with non-toxic, child-safe materials and a protective rubber cover, this camera is built to withstand drops. The rechargeable battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous use. With its bright colors and cute design, this camera is the ideal companion for your child's childhood. It makes a wonderful birthday, holiday, or graduation gift. What we like. This camera is designed with durability and ease of use in mind, featuring a dual selfie camera. If you need a robust camera for your child that's built to withstand drops and is simple to operate, this is a great pick. It's perfect for capturing everyday adventures. What people say. It has many things to do such as filters, taking videos and games. It comes with a microchip to put on a USB and be able to see the photos or videos on the computer. Comes with durable rubber protective case that looks like a dinosaur. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.